Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain how to find the area and parameter about the shape like this or the figure. We can divide it about 2 parts or 3 parts as you like to find the area. And parameter, we can find the sum of both sides here. We can find the parameter 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 6 equal 26. Then the parameter equal 26 feet. And now I want to find the area. The area we can find the area about this component here about the figure. We can divide it about like this. First rectangle 3 times 7 equal 21 square feet. And the area about the square, area of square side by side. We have 3 times 3 equal 9 square feet. And then we can collect together to find the area. Right, 21 plus 9 equal 30 square feet. Okay. This example also we can find the area by two methods. First method, you can count all square sides. How many square units inside it? We can count all to find the total area, or you can divide it like this. Divide it about like this part here from this line segment and here line segment also. Okay, this line segment and here line segment, and then we can find area 1 and area 2, and then collect together to find the total area. Okay, my students, we can write here two dimensions. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The length was 4 units, and the width 1, 2, 3, 3 units. This 3 times 4 is 12. We have here 12 square units. And the next, also we have 3 dimensions. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 units. Okay, and 4 units. 3 times 4 also equal 12. And area about the part here down in this rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4 times 8 equal 32. Then the total area, we can collect all areas here. 12 plus 12 plus 32. Right, 12 plus 12 plus 32. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. The result will be 65 square units. Or you can write here 56 square. Okay. Look at here about question number 2 and question number 4. Okay, question number 2, we can find the area about this figure here by divided from this part. Okay, the row line segment here and divided two rectangles up and down. The first, we can find the dimensions here. Look at this side, length 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then here we have 3 inches. So the area about rectangle up 2 times 3 equals 6. Then area here will be 6. And area down 2 times 5 equals 10. Then we can collect together. The result will be 16 square inches. Okay, 16 square inches. Next, here we can find the area also by divided. Like this, draw line segment here and divided this shape about two parts. 4 times 3 is 12. The area here is, it will be 12 square units, okay? The area will be here, it will be what? 12 square centimeter. And down, look at this line segment was 9. 9 subtracted from 3, this part 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And this part will be 6 centimeter. 6 times 6 is 36. The area here will be 36 square centimeters. Then we can collect 12 plus 36 to find the total area. 6 plus 2 equal 8 and 3 plus 1 equal 4. The area will be 48 square centimeter. Now we have extra questions like this. Question here, we can find the area about this figure by divided from this part here, draw line segment here, and find area 1, area 2, and collect together. We know dimensions here, it's clear about. If we draw line segment here, we have 2 dimensions. We have 2 and this up 3. This line segment 3. 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then we have up here square. This 1 centimeter and here 2 centimeter. You can find area 1 and area 2 collect together. Area 1 about square 1 times 1 equal 1. The area here will be 1 square centimeter. And area here 2 times 4 equal 8 square centimeter. Now I will collect together 8 plus 1 equal 9. Since the total area will be 9 square centimeter. And this also example like the same idea. We can divide it by this part. 1 times 1 equal 1. The area here will be 1 square centimeter. And he gave me direct here directions about two dimensions, 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 square centimeter. We can collect together. 15 plus 1 equals 16. So the total area will be 16 square centimeter. And also we have two questions down here. The first we have here, look at with me about the first, like this. Look at here. We have figure, we can divide it about three parts. First part here up, we can write here square, this square, 1 times 1 equal 1 square inches. And we draw here line segment also. 1 times 1 equal 1 square inches. And up here we have rectangle. Do you know the area of rectangle equal length times width? Okay, we can product by two numbers here. 2 times 4 equal 8. The area here is up. 2 times 4 equal 8 square inches. Now I will collect 8 plus 1 plus 1 equal 10 square inches is the total area. Now in this figure also I will do like this. Divided by draw line segment here and 4 times 1 equal 4. Area here 4 square centimeter and area up 4 product by 5. Two dimensions here 5 and 4. 4 times 5 is 20 square centimeters. Then collect since the total area will be 24 square meter. Okay. And also this question we can find the area about this model house. Okay, find the area by divided it about two parts. It's direct. If we draw line segment here, we have two rectangles now. We can find area 1 and area 2 and then collect together. Area 1, we have the length was 24 inches, okay, and the width 9. 24 product by 9, okay, 24 product by 9. We know 4 times 9 equals 36. Write 6 and carry out 3. 2 times 9 equal 18. 18 plus 3 equal 21. Then the area here, it will be 216 square inches. And area down 8 times 8 equals 64. Then the answer will be 64 square inches. In here, the total area we can collect together. 216 and 64. Then the area will be 216 plus 64. And then we can collect together. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. Write 0 here. 7 plus 1 equal 8 and raise the 2 here. The result will be 280 square inches. Okay, my students understood? So to find the area about any figure, you must divide it. It's not direct. We know the area of rectangle, length times width, and the area of square side by side. We have also triangles, the area of triangle, half times the base times the height. So today we understood how to find the area about compound shape by divide it about extra parts. Okay, my students understood? Okay, next time I will explain new examples. Goodbye.